Welcome back to our channel Inside Medical Education. In this video I will discuss about a homeopathic medicine Vanadium Metallicum. So let's start. Its action is that of an oxygen carrier and a catalyzer. Hence its use in the wasting disease, increase amount of hemoglobin, also combines its oxygen with toxin and destroy their virulence, also increase and stimulate phagocytes, a remedy in degenerative condition of the liver and arteries, anorexia and symptoms of gastrointestinal irritation, albumen, casts and blood in urine, tremors, vertigo, hysteria and melancholia, neuro-retinitis and blindness, Anæmia, emaciation, cough, dry, irritating and paroxysmal, sometimes with hemorrhage, irritation of nose, eyes and throat, tuberculosis, chronic rheumatism, diabetes, acts as a tonic for digestive function, and in early tuberculosis, Arterio-sclerosis, sensation as if the heart was compressed, as if blood had no room in the aorta, anxious pressure on the whole chest, fatty heart, generative states, has brain softening, atheroma in arteries of brain and liver. Thank you for watching.